Hello there, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky. Literally in my last video I have said that I'm going to do my lashes, like how I do my eyelash extension at home. I'm going to do my lashes now. Like I ordered this kit is from Modelrock, so if you are following me you should have seen. I think I shared on my shorts video this lash extension kit I used in that video. It's by Modelrock, but today I thought I'll do it with you all. I cut the nail glue with the scissors and now it's stuck. Like this is a new one. Literally I forgot what I ordered. This is how it comes. When I apply fake nails, like it's so hard for me to do things. So this is how it comes. And let's quickly see. I just opened it to do a little clip for my Instagram reel. This is the card and receipt of what I got. And look at this. Wow, just love this. So this is the first one I can see. So this is the little ones, and yeah, I like it. Like I'll apply, then I will know. Okay, this just opened. Okay, this is the second one. Literally I'm going to use this one I think today. I don't know, like and this one is a different one. Okay, so last time I got a different one. Look at it, girls have been using this one. So it looks like this one was Doll Me Up, and this one is the Bugatti Luxy. I don't know how to say that. My daughter Eliza's last one stayed I think nearly 2 weeks, so like, she took it out. Like literally few came out, but she took it out all yesterday, so I redid hers one, but I cut the normal one because I didn't had any of these. So this came I think a day before yesterday. I didn't check. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this one. And the last one is this one. This one looks really nice too. So this one is a bit thick, and this one,
whoa, that is long.
I really love this one. I think I'm gonna be doing this one. I'll try this one, okay, with you all today.
Let me see. Ooh.
This one and this one.
Ooh. Was this the thin one you were talking about?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Look like Hulai.
Oh. Whoa. And?
I'll do this one. Marco. Sabi iske bhittar rakho. Ye lo mide. Ula rakh do. So I'm going to do this one today. I don't know, like my camera. Okay, let's quickly see what this contains. It contains this DIY lash extension like bond. Like this is the glue which holds the lashes, and this is the sealer. After you finish applying, you seal the lash with this one, and this is the removing gel. Okay, so when you want to take it out, you can remove it with this one. Just apply and take it out. It takes out all the glues and everything. It's really nice. And this is the applicator. Okay, it's really beautiful. It has this Modelrock logo here too. So I'm going to use the last applicator I think I got. So this is the bond which holds the lashes, and it lasts for 7 to 10 days. 7 days is okay. You can just take it out in 7 days. I'm going to just apply it here. Lashes is a bit thick, so I'm going to just take, I think they all are same. Yeah, I think they all are same, but I think I'm gonna take it from, this is how they look. I think I'm gonna take it from this end. Okay, got two, but I need only one heel stay. Okay, so let's do this one. Hi Jelly. Okay, let's hold this way because we want the other end. We have to put it this way. So I'm going to just apply this glue a little bit on here. You don't have to, but I think it is okay. If you want it to last longer, you can apply it here. And this one doesn't dry that quickly, so it's okay. So see, this is just so easy. You can push it. You have to place it very close to the first one you have applied. You have to line it properly so it will look good. Okay, so I think this looks so pretty. I like it. So I'm gonna be doing the third one now. The lash glue is not dry, so yeah. So just apply the glue, and you don't have to apply it on the lashes, but if you want to you can, and always wipe whatever glue is left here because it will stick on the next lashes. So I have used the first three from here, so I think all of them are same. Naisha, are they all same length?
It looks like it.
Wow, this one was so easy to apply. Like literally I didn't put any glue on the lash band. I just applied direct here, and this was easier than this one. I don't know, like I think this eye I can do it well better than this one. Looks really pretty. Look, looks nice, no?
Looks beautiful.
Now you can just do the eye makeup as you want. You don't have to apply mascara. It looks better like this. There is a gap here, which if you want you can fill it. Both are same, so I think it looks same. Yeah, Tisha, you like it?
Yep.
So you can just seal your lashes with this. I'm going to just apply a little bit of highlighter.
Oh, you're just trying to make the video longer.
Yeah. How do you know?
Because it would normally end the video by now.
Yeah. So highlighter goes to the inner part too, like this. You can do your eye makeup too if you want to, but I just don't want to do it. I just want to keep it simple like this. Like after applying the lashes, the eyes looks really pretty without any eye makeup. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be applying just little bit of highlighter to the inner part, and also I'm going to just apply little bit eyeliner to the waterline. I've got 4 minutes left, just 4 minutes left to film this video. My camera is so full.
No, you only got. Oh, yeah, you do. Actually, no, you got 3 minutes left.
I think I'll be done by that time. This video was all about like telling you all how I do my lash extension at home, and it lasts like up to 10 days, I will say. Okay, 10 days is okay, but I always take out every Friday, so which is like Friday to Friday. How many days will be? 8 days.
7 days, actually.
Okay, this is how I apply my mascara, to be honest. Okay.
Yes.
It changes the whole look. Like I will say, it enhances the whole eyes and your face, everything. So yeah, I literally love these lashes by Modelrock, and their delivery comes really quickly too. It came like 2 days ago.
So you lied to me!
I didn't lie to Isha, but
Yes, you did!
okay, so
You said your Bella box came.
it came before Bella Books. So
Oh, that
later-
was fast.
Yeah, so their delivery is really quick, and Modelrock lashes are really good too. Like I just love their lash extensions. Like look at it, like it looks really pretty. Wow.
Side eye.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and until next time, bye.
Bye!
So I'm going to use these lashes on Isha's eyes, and this is really pretty, and she likes this one. So I think I'm gonna start from this one, this side, like this. I don't know, like I will adjust the size. So this is for the inner corner, this is outer, I think this is middle part, this two. So I think I'm gonna apply 3-4, I think at least. So this is how her eyes looks at the moment. So after applying this, yay! Wow, looks really pretty. I just love this one. Its name is Fluffy. Look down. Wow, I just love the length and the volume. Everything looks really pretty, so gorgeous. And it wasn't that hard to do hers one, and like her eyebrow is natural, and her lashes is naturally long, but yeah, after applying this Fluffy, it makes her lashes look even more longer, more fluffier.
More puffier, moofier.
Yeah, do you like it?
I love it. Modelrock, send us some lashes, please.
More lashes.
Yeah.
More, yeah, more.